Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a super quick and easy look that's perfect for any workday. I'm going to be using this Morphe 350 palette, and I think this palette is perfect for looks like this because it has a ton of neutrals and is super inexpensive. First, I'm going to be picking a light warm brown shade from this palette, and I'm going to be applying that all over my crease and in the outer V of the eye, and I'm going to be using this blending brush by Mott. I think looks like this are super great for work because without taking a ton of time, if you simply just add some definition and depth in your eyelids with a couple of shadows, you're going to look really put together, but it's not actually going to take a lot of effort. Next, I'm going to take a slightly darker brown shade with a smaller blending brush and just deepen what I had down already. I'm just going to focus this more in the inner V of the outer corner and also the lower crease, and just make sure that those two colors are married together. Next, I'm going to show you two different ways to do this look on either one of my eyes. First, I'm just going to be taking some translucent powder and blending away any sharp edges from the previous two eyeshadows, and then that's it. I'm just going to be leaving this eye matte with just the definition on the outer corner and crease. And on the other eye, I'm going to be doing the same exact thing except with a shimmery shadow, and I'm going to be applying that with a Luxie 249 brush. And this is just a way to change up the look without actually doing much different. But on this eye you have the pop of shimmer, and then on the other eye you sort of have a 90s super cool matte look. So it really just depends how you're feeling and where you want to take the look. And then just to finish off the face, I'm doing everything I normally do, applying concealer. This is my e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I'm going to set that with some translucent powder, contour, and then bronze a little bit, and then I will finish up the eyes. For the eyes, I'm going to be doing them both the same. I'm taking the same light brown eyeshadow that we started with initially and just using this small Alamar Cosmetics brush and just sweeping that across the bottom lash line just to add some definition down there. For blush, I'm using a Wet n Wild blush. This is in the shade Rosé Champagne, and I'm using an e.l.f. blush brush. For highlighter, I'm going to be using a Cover FX face palette. This is in the shade Sunbeam, and a tapered highlighting brush, and I'm just going to highlight as I usually do, and then I'm also going to take that on a pencil brush and apply that into the inner corner of my eyes, and you can see how it sort of looks different on each one. As always, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Great Lash, of course, and then I'm also going to be using a heated eyelash curler just to sort of give my eyelashes a little bit of curl because they're super straight, but I hate using an eyelash curler because I always pull out my eyelashes. Finally, I'm going to be applying this NYX soft matte lip cream in the shade SMLC, which is just a nude shade, and that is it for this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it's helpful for your super stressful work days. If you did like it, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see next. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll see you next time.